Good afternoon, guys. I'm here again at Takas Mansion for an update. Time check 1:30 p.m. Uh, the plumbing guys already put a hole in the septic tank, and then the other one is for the waterways. They already connect it with solvent. This sand is to make the pipe straight, because some pipe are curved, because so they are ano po, this will make them fit to the cement bed. And they are connecting it po. It's been connected earlier by solvent. And also po, we have already paid for the fire permit, electrical permit, and electrical installation. So tomorrow po, inspection. Then we will know how much are we going to deposit for temporary electricity. Yan. We are good to go po. All things have been installed already. This is where they gonna connect the electricity. And the post is already set up po. Good to go. Good for inspection already for tomorrow. They're just making some adjustment to the line that they dig. It's a little bit ano po, the two tubes will not fit, so they are adjusting, make it wider. These two guys po are preparing the sand for plastering. It should be they have a strainer for the fine sand. Ayan. Ino, tama ba? And they're the ones putting it in sack, and then our mixer operator are mixing it here for plastering. That's the sand that they are. And then here po,